Samsung UE55 TU8000. I'll put this in the description. Tape measure. I'm going to actually measure the pedestal stand, or the feet as it is in this, so this is going to be an issue. I have done a video, have a look, because you can get a universal pedestal stand. You don't have to choose the one I've chosen. Browse the internet, there's loads of cheap ones about, but have a look at the video. You can replace those feet and have a central base if you've got a narrow stand, so don't let the feet put you off, because lots of TVs seem to do it. I don't know if it's fashion or it's cost saving or whatever, but anyway. I'll put all the dimensions in the description, a timestamp in the description, and I'll video me measuring it. And I'll open the box. Okay, so first thing, we can see those 2 feet in there. Quick setup guide, chap reading his instructions before he assembles it, makes sense. Instruction book, remote pack in the top there as well. Now, polystyrene out the top, TV in there. Can I get it out of polystyrene? There we go. So just pop the TV to the side. 2 plasticky looking feet, which I'll remove now, so we shall have to fit to the TV. One, those easy to get out. That's 2. Okay, little baggie in there, and I know what it is, but I will take them out just to demo. He says, even though it's a sort of Ziploc bag that I broke, they put sellotape over it anyway. But anyway, so these will be attached to the TV. These clip over, act as a cable guide. I don't know how well that shows up on the camera. They just clip over and you can guide your cables through those holes there. 1 for each leg. Instruction book pack. So we'll open that up. Instruction book there. Normal remote, smart remote as well. So let's have a look. Figure 8 mains lead in there. Standard sort of thing. AA, treble A batteries, so the smart remote is the AA batteries, which we'll have a quick look. So pretty much same as last year. Netflix, Prime Video, Rakuten, rock up and down. I'll try and get a close-up of these. You can see my filthy hands. And the standard remote also in there. Okay, so standard remote, volume, Netflix, Rakuten. You've got those quick access to your apps buttons again. So for us in the UK, it's mainly Netflix and Prime, but you've got Rakuten as well for people who use that. Volume, channels, channel numbers, etc. Hang on a sec, there is a CI card slot reader as well. That's your CI reader there. Okay, so that's a close-up of those remotes. If you don't get this one, we get this in the UK. You may not get it in many other countries, but the code is BN59013115B. So you can order those from anywhere anyway if you wish to have one for yourself. Looking at the back of the TV from a bit of a distance, we can see we've got a 200mm square VESA M8 bolt. I'm going to put the feet in. You can just see the bottom there. 2 bass ports and the speakers. The Q80T I tested was quite nice as well. I've not tried this one yet, so we'll soon find out. Quickly get the thickness while the camera's looking there. So 60mm in thickness there from front to back at the thickest point. I've got the legs here and they are marked right and left. I'll just move the camera back for this one. There we go. Okay, so I don't know if this shows up because it's all black anyway, but that is marked L. TV is also marked L, so left as I look at the rear of the TV, and it does just slot in and clicks into place. Same for the other side, marked R and marked R there. Okay, so I'll get a close-up of that, but we can see from a distance, figure 8 mains lead. Again, it's got these grooves, you can wedge your cables in there, so it keeps them a bit tidy when you're looking at the back of the TV or nothing's dangling down. Looks a bit more limited on this model, input-wise. I say limited, it depends on your taste, because it does still have legacy inputs on this, so you've got composite in there, red and white audio, yellow video, digital optical audio out, wide internet there in the rear. Don't know if that'll pose a problem if you've got it wall mounted because of the way it's going in. Same as that, HDMI can be annoying in the position it's in if you're wall mounting. I know you can get right angled things, but you're trying to keep it tight to the wall. Anyway, USB 1 amp in there, half amp there. EARC though, so there you go, enhanced audio return channel on HDMI 2, HDMI 1 there, no freeset or satellite on this, but terrestrial aerial antenna in there. The feet are actually narrower at the back than they are at the front, so that's the widest point of the TV, well the TV stand I should say, 105 centimetres or 40.5 inches if you're in Imperial. And from the feet at the back to the front of the feet, I'd say about 25 centimetres, or in inches, about 10 inches roughly. Okay, so like I say, if they are a problem, have a look. I've done a video, universal pedestal base or pedestal stand, so you get a stand in the middle and you can put it on your smaller TV cabinet or unit. So next thing, we'll get it set up wide up, see what it looks like. Let's have a look, quick view round. So 60mm thickness there at its thickest point. We've got the dimensions, which I'll timestamp in the description. That's it. I thought I'd just do a quick close-up walk round. Cool. Got my terrestrial aerial connected, wired internet and mains. I'll remove these. There isn't a screen protector on this model, which is fine. Just have to be careful I don't touch it too much and get hand marks everywhere, especially my dirty hands. Turn it on. Again, terrestrial aerial connected, it tells me there, or cable if you use cable. Terrestrial digital for myself. Wide internet. I've said this on the other video so far, I would prefer Alexa, I'd even prefer Google Home if it had it, but it's in a store, so I say choose later. And again, it's worthwhile putting in your postcode at home because you'll get your regional programming and options and so on, or any relevant things to you in your area. And to be nice, I'll skip the tuning in bit as well. Okay. So, primary region for myself is England. Secondary region is important. You must pick the transmitter your aerial is facing if you're on an aerial. So, Yorkshire. So again, some recommended apps there, UK TV Player or BBC Sounds I would probably go for. BBC Sounds is a good one. Is that an Apple app? Not sure, I'll have a look. I know it's got Apple TV again this year. UK TV Player as well, it's quite good in the UK. So asking you there to test your smart remote, which I'm not using at the moment. I'll just turn that down. Okay. Anyway, so this is Freeview. It looks fine. This is on just standard picture settings. So I'm going to flick it to retail mode and just have a quick look at the inbuilt demos that should be in 4K. Okay, exit that. Let's have a look at the smart. So we can just see there Netflix, Prime, iPlayer, iTV, Apple TV. So you can mirror your iPhone to there, Rakuten, YouTube, Samsung Health, Yoga and Pilates. Oh, it is Yoga and Pilates. That's crazy. So you can do your exercise in front of your TV. Good for lockdown. Fat melter. Okay. 4 on demand, internet browser built in, so again connect to Bluetooth, keyboard, whatever, you can browse basic internet stuff. BBC Sounds there, so good if you're listening to radio and so on, or catch up with Scott Mills podcast, whatever, things like that. But anyway, YouTube, I'll find myself. TV is a bit laggy now because it would be trying to do its firmware update as I'm doing this. Probably not the best time, but so cheesy demo because I like it. Okay, better stop there on that. So, I mean, this is a more sort of entry level.
Nigerian-born,
Just turn it down there.
actor, speaking to
More of an
thousands.
entry level sort of mid-range 4K TV, so it actually looks quite good. I don't know what the prices are yet though, that's the only thing, but we'll soon find out. So I shall call that it for now.
Lots of young people
Looks cool.
coming out and wanting to show